Today, we're diving into the significance of nutrition as we hit the big 50. As we age, our bodies undergo transformations that alter our nutritional needs, making the 50s a crucial decade in our lives. By prioritising self-care during this period, we set ourselves up for long-term success and better health outcomes. It's time to elevate our eating game and focus on getting the right balance of vitamins and minerals to stay on top. Say goodbye to mindless snacking and hello to strategic nourishment. Stick around to the end to discover the ultimate foods to fuel your 50s and beyond. Get ready to slim down, beef up and rev up your energy levels. Before we talk about specific foods, let's spell out 9 fundamental nutritional rules that will make it really easy for you to understand why we are recommending specific foods. Rule number 1, focus on protein. As you age, your muscle mass naturally decreases, so it's important to make sure you're getting enough protein to maintain muscle mass and bone density. Good sources of protein include lean meats, fish, eggs and legumes. Rule number 2, the importance of calcium. Our bones become more brittle with age and our bodies have a harder time absorbing calcium. To support bone health, make sure you're getting enough calcium through foods like dairy products, leafy greens and fortified foods. Rule number 3, don't ignore fibre. Fibre is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system, and fruits and vegetables are great sources of fibre. Make sure you're getting a variety of different fruits and vegetables. Rule number 4, go for whole foods. In addition to specific nutrients, it's also important to maintain a healthy overall diet by focusing on whole foods and avoiding processed foods. The latter has most of its essential nutrients destroyed during processing and preservation. Swap your refined bread and pasta for complex carbohydrates and grains like brown rice, quinoa, amaranth, buckwheat and oats. These grains are great for your heart and provide sustainable energy to power the brain and body. Rule number 5, limit sodium in your food. Consuming high levels of sodium can increase the likelihood of heart disease and hypertension. It is recommended to limit daily intake to 1,500 milligrams for those over 50, which is lower than the general guideline of 2,300 milligrams. Try using fresh herbs for flavouring instead of salt and rinse canned foods before consuming. Rule number 6, start loving to cook. Instead of eating out frequently, reserve it for those special occasions and cook at home for the majority of the week. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and techniques used, resulting in healthier, nutrient-dense meals without excessive sugars, salts and oils commonly found in restaurant dishes. Rule number 7, full stop on sodas. You'll have to say goodbye to those fizz-packed drinks and pick up water or sugarless tea. The latter two have the ability to hydrate you without any spike in sugar inside your body. If giving up sugar looks hard, take one step at a time and phase it out bit by bit from your diet. And don't go anywhere without a bottle of water. Rule number 8, eat only when hungry. Don't treat food as a pastime or a routine to be completed. Eat only when your body is asking for it. Avoid eating too much or too often. However, don't ignore your body's hunger signals either. This will help keep your metabolism active and support your overall health. As you get older, your metabolism naturally slows down, so it's especially important to keep it going by eating small meals and snacks every few hours. Rule number 9, go for vibrant colours. Elevate your plate game by seeking out vibrant hues, a surefire sign of nutrient-packed produce like fruits and veggies. Opt for an array of greens, oranges, purples, yellows and reds, especially as they are loaded with antioxidants that battle the effects of aging. Choose broccoli, leafy greens, berries, melons, sweet potato, bell peppers, eggplant, beets and squash. Now that we've underscored the essential principles of nutrition, let's delve deeper and discover the top 8 foods to incorporate into our diets during our 50s. Starting from number 8, we'll count down to number 1. Number 8, fish. Growing older doesn't mean you have to accept chronic disease like heart disease, stroke, diabetes, Alzheimer's and dementia as your fate. By incorporating omega-3 fatty acids, a type of good fat found in fish, into your diet, you can help keep inflammation at bay. Make sure to include fish in your meals 2 to 3 times a week. There are plenty of delicious fish and seafood dinners available to make at home. For those looking for plant-based options, omega-3s can also be found in walnuts, hemp seeds and chia seeds. Number 7. Berries. Incorporating berries such as cranberries, blueberries, strawberries and goji berries into your meals not only enhances the taste but also provides numerous health benefits. These small fruits are packed with antioxidants that can improve skin health and boost immunity. They also contain antioxidant polyphenols called anthocyanins, which are beneficial for metabolism and overall health. Additionally, berries are high in fibre, vitamin C, K and manganese. They can aid in weight management and reducing cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Number 6. Leafy greens. Feast on leafy greens like spinach, kale and collards for a powerhouse of health benefits. Packed with iron, vitamin A and C, antioxidants, fibre, folate, vitamin K, magnesium, calcium and potassium, these greens will elevate your game. Not only do they boost hemoglobin and aid digestion, but they're also crucial for women during menopause. And let's not forget, they keep your heart pumping and your brain sharp. Number 5. Beans. Unleash the power of nutrition with beans. Whether you prefer them fresh or dried, these nutrient-packed legumes pack a punch for your metabolism. Loaded with essential minerals like iron, calcium and magnesium, as well as fibre, phosphorus, carbohydrates, fats, sodium and potassium, beans are a health expert's dream. Daily consumption can even help lower bad cholesterol levels, while the fibre content aids in smooth digestion, a crucial aspect of maintaining a healthy metabolism as we age. Say goodbye to digestive issues and hello to a strengthened immune system thanks to the iron-rich properties of beans. So add some beans to your diet and keep lifestyle disorders like diabetes and blood pressure at bay. Number 4. Apples. Keep the doctor at bay with the power of a daily apple. This classic saying rings true when it comes to boosting your immunity with the right foods. Packed with essential nutrients, an apple a day provides your body with the vital nutrition it needs to stay strong and healthy as you age. Loaded with fibre, vitamin C, K, A, B1, B2 and B6, apples are also a great source of manganese, copper and potassium. Studies have shown that incorporating an apple into your diet can reduce the risk of heart attacks, strokes, type 2 diabetes and IBS. Make an apple your go-to mid-meal snack for optimal nutrition. Number 3. Nuts. Nuts are the ultimate nutrient-dense snack. Not only are they easy to grab and go, but a handful packs a satisfying punch. Packed with protein, healthy fats, carbs, fibre and a variety of vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, manganese and selenium. They even contain antioxidants called polyphenols that protect your cells from harmful free radicals. Incorporating nuts into your diet can also boost heart health and lower LDL, bad cholesterol. Plus, their healthy fibres can help regulate metabolism and blood sugar levels. Upgrade your snack game with the power of nuts. Number 2. Yogurt. This delicate addition to your menu can work wonders for your overall health by solving digestion issues. Whether you're dealing with an upset stomach or looking to improve digestion, yogurt is your secret weapon. Packed with probiotics, it can alleviate symptoms of common gastrointestinal disorders like bloating, diarrhea and constipation. Not to mention, it's a great source of protein to help manage weight. And with nutrients like calcium, potassium, phosphorus and vitamin D, yogurt can help keep your bones strong and prevent diseases like osteoporosis. Number 1. Oats. Incorporating oats into your diet is a trendy way to boost your metabolism and immunity. They're packed with beta-glucan, a type of soluble fibre that can lower LDL cholesterol and improve heart health. Plus, the high fibre content promotes regular digestion and a strong metabolism. Not to mention, oats are a rich source of essential nutrients like manganese, phosphorus, copper, vitamin B1, iron, selenium, magnesium and zinc. So there we have it. The best food for you for your 50s. Eat healthily and balance your diet with the right amount of fruits, vegetables, protein and calcium-rich food. Keep yourself active, stay hydrated and check with your doctor for any specific health concerns you may have. Are you already following some of these tips and foods? Did you notice a significant difference in your health? Do let me know in the comments below. And if you like the video, hit that like button and press subscribe so that you do not miss any life-saving tips in my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.